within phonetics and phonology, we are most of the time busy with transcription. And transcription is one of the very useful tools of phonetics and phonology. The transcription of vowels is particularly important because we are most of the time busy with the transcription of vowels. In English, maybe the transcription of vowels is one of the most challenging tasks. And this is challenging for many reasons. You know why? Because there is a large inventory of vowel sounds in English. And phoneticians think that the transcription of vowel is one of the major problems, maybe the greatest problem in transcription of English language. Right. So if you just go through these vowels, you would see that how rich this vocalic inventory of English sounds is. Like peat, pit, pet, pat, part, pot, put, put, pat, put, pout, and many more. And there are many more possibilities of these sounds. So you see, this is one of the, largest inventory of vowel sounds in English. All right. And the solution is, what's the solution? The solution is that for the sake of transcription, we would be dividing vowel sounds in 3 groups. And this is one of the, easy way to learn the transcription of English vowels, right? So we are dividing English vowels into 3 subgroups, right? So the first group is short vowels which are of shorter duration, okay? And then long vowels, within transcription, we would be considering long vowels together with diphthongs because they are also long vowels, right? So just for the sake of transcription, right? This is only for the sake of transcription that we would be putting diphthongs and long vowels together, right? For the sake of transcribing them. And then the third category is weak vowels. Since there is a possibility that a vowel may be taking its full shape, right? In a neutral position, or maybe it's the prominent shape, like in a stressed verb, in a stressed word, right? Or stressed syllable, particularly within a stressed syllable, the stress would be on vowel, right? But there is one more possibility that the same vowel may form a reduced, or a weak form, weak shape. So that's the third group of our division of vowels for the sake of transcription, right? Short vowels like lick, leg, lack, lock, look, and luck, right? So these are the 6 short vowels of English, right? And let me tell you some features of short vowels, right? In English, short vowels, they never take place at the end of a word, right? So that's a secret for transcription, right? Never put a short vowel at the end of a word, right? So that's one feature. And then when you would use acoustic features, then the shorter vowel would be maintaining very short, duration, right? So these 2 points are important, that the short vowels, they are shorter in the length, right? And then also they do not take place at the end of a word, right? Then there is Schwa. Schwa is also short vowel, but I'm not putting it here in this category of short vowels. The reason is that I would put Schwa in the reduced vowels or the weak vowels, right? Then we are left with 6 vowels of English. I'm repeating them: e, a, o, e, o, and e. The last vowel, it may be given in the 2 possibilities, right? It may be like the small e, or maybe this inverse 3 shape, right? So that's one of the possibility. And then we have long vowels, the second category. Long vowels are longer than short vowels. You just consider the difference between grin and green. Grin and green. So the vowel in green is the longer one. Long vowels are roughly twice to the length of the short vowels, right? So that's the major rule, that they are twice longer, right? And then they have this colon, the 2 points, right, vertically put after the vowel symbol, right? So that's the indicator that the vowel is long, and then they may occur at the end of a word, right? Just examples for you: e, keen, mean, lean, seen, right? In words like palm, calf, balm, palm, and o in words like caught, taught, fraught, right? And then oo in words like moon, boot, school, and then sound, the longer in words like burn, nurse, and burst, right? So the third category is of weak vowels. Weak vowels are when they are taking place in an unstressed syllable, unstressed, right? So then they are reduced. There is the chance like the word coffee, right? Coffee, right? So the first syllable is stressed, cough, and fee. The second one is unstressed. So which sound it is, by the way? Is it E or I? It is neither E or I, but it's in between. So it's the reduced one. And this can also take place like, he likes me, right? So it's there, the phrase is given there, the sentence is given there, he, right? So the vowel in he is not a complete vowel, it is the reduced. We live in Wales. So we, again, a reduced one. And one more reduced vowel, right? Like the oo, the mid vowel sound between oo and o, right? So that's o. Like in to act, or to own, or to everyone. So that vowel which is taking place here after T, that is the reduced form. And then the last reduced form, which is Schwa, as mentioned earlier, Schwa is also one of the reduced vowels, and it is one of the common sounds found in English, and it is very common because it has a neutral shape, and it's pronounced without proper muscular effort, so it's very easy to pronounce, and it's very common in non-rhotic Englishes, right? Non-rhotic accents, and it is at the end words like mother, father. So any word which is ending with er sound, that er is replaced with Schwa, right? For speaking, for speech, right? Like in words, when we apply this rule, then the farmer and the drama. So these are rhyming words, just because of the, just the deletion of the r sound in farmer, right? And then it is found in words like better, driver, actor, doctor, harder, cider, liquor, server, right? So these are the examples of Schwa sounds. And these are the categories of short vowels of English.